Hello and welcome back to this Next.js 15 tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn how to navigate between pages in Next.js using a special component called Next/Link. Now technically, you could use a regular HTML anchor tag to link between pages. But if you do that, every time you click, the browser will reload the entire page, which is slower and not the experience we want. Let's test that. We already have some routes created, such as home, about, and dashboard. Now let's add a new file called NavBar. First, we'll create a components folder inside the source directory, and inside it, we'll add a file called navbar.tsx. In this file, we'll export a simple function component that returns a navigation element with a list of links. One for home, one for about, and one for dashboard. Next, we'll import this navbar into our layout file. This way, we don't need to import it on every single page. Since the layout wraps all our pages, placing the navbar here means it will appear across the entire application. So go to the layout, and after the body opening tag, place the navbar before the children. Remember, the children represent the page content that gets rendered. If we now go to the browser and visit the home page, you can see the navbar has been added. If we try navigating to the About page, it works, but notice that the page is refreshing each time. Also, as expected, the navbar is now included in all pages because we placed it in the layout file. We'll go deeper into layouts in a future video. So here's the issue. Using a normal anchor tag causes full page reloads. Next.js solves this problem by providing a component called Link from Next/Link. This makes navigation faster and smoother because it uses client-side routing. That means when you move between pages, only the content changes without reloading the entire app. Let's now update the navbar. Replace the anchor tags with the link component and make sure to import Link from Next/Link. Once we do that, let's test it. When you click between home, about, or dashboard, you'll notice the navigation is instant. No more full page reloads. And that's it. So the key difference is this. Using anchor tags causes a full page refresh. Using Link from Next.js gives you smooth client-side transitions. And now you know how to link between pages in Next.js using the Next/Link component. This is the standard way to create navigation in any Next.js application. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.